Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetrainingvideos.com. It's Tuesday, December 29th. We are looking at a nice up gap here. We talked about this pre-market this morning. Then we watched that gap fill to the penny. It's kind of nice to see the rules being followed. This area from yesterday was well defined as well. And anyway, you can see a nice bounce, almost 100% retracement, at least the 76% area. Typically, when that happens, you have a better chance of making a higher swing low. And we tried and tried and tried and tried in here, came all the way back to do 100% retracement of the day's low, aka the gap fill. And then on this larger bar, you can see we kind of ate it there, right to the 50 MA. This is a little 3-minute chart, so those moving averages don't mean as much, but definitely that 112.77/79 area. And that's what we're using as resistance right now, albeit holding up at our 112.60 mark again from yesterday. Kind of cool to have defined that area that was support, got broken, became resistance, resistance, broke again, now support, support. Again, following the rules nicely. If we look at the trend for the day, you can see we started out very, very nicely low, rallied all the way back up and did more than 100% gap fill, which is a bit of alarming. And that's one thing to take note of. This is less than a 76% retracement of the perfect open. And then we bounced on our lows, aka highs here, 1.2 mark, broke that. And now we're sort of using that area as support. So a little bit more bearish than bullish. Trend Q, however, is rising beautifully with higher highs and higher lows almost the whole day, until most recently this little double top at 1.3 area. So watching that for a consolidation. The VIX, another good one, did a good job of dropping as the markets gapped up, but then began to rise as they filled. So consolidating right now just at the gap area, a little bit above, aka again a little bit more bearish than bullish. So here we are. Take that in context with where we are on higher time frames. So let's do that now. Here is a 15-minute chart, and you can see the 112.60 line holding up. Support, support, broken, resistance, 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 and now support, support. If we fail the 50 MA in this 112.60 area, we might get a run to the 112.40 or 112.30 area. So that would be my next logical spot of support, unless the 100 MA that you could extrapolate is higher than that by then. So we'll watch that carefully. And the little 60-minute chart just shows some slowing momentum. And on daily, if we closed right now, would still be beautiful above 112 in a high base again, working our way sideways. And it's just the beginning of a breakout on low volume. So take that with a grain of salt. It is awesome working with everybody here at FTV. Don't get a lot of comments, but I hear things back from others that there are a lot of people watching these videos. So we hope to keep doing them and making them better and better and better. So anyway, good stuff everybody. Look forward to D7's video at the close, and I'll be talking to you soon.